Good morning, ladies. It is 3:30 a.m. and the reason that I am up is because somebody turned on the fire alarm at 2:45. The entire Hakona dorm was evacuated because somebody messed with a fire extinguisher. We all left. I called my friend Danny, whose dorm I had just left, and asked if I could come back with some other companions because we had no place to stay. Clearly, I am back in my room, but I am cranky, but also unable to sleep. So I thought that I would send you guys a video telling you just how cranky I am. Also, when I returned back to my room at 3:30 in the morning, I saw a guy dressed up to the T, like a guy from that Kingdom Hearts game with the big key on his back, like full on fucking outfit. He had the key, he had the hair, he had the everything. So we were watching him walk by and unable to stifle our laughter because it's stupid o'clock. And we tried to make a joke out of it. Didn't really work because I'm also rather cranky. And also, Stav is not here. He's in Colorado for a Bad Religion and Rise Against concert. And so I can't even, be angry with him. So I'm being derpy and bleh, cranky. I think that concludes my really upset video. I'm gonna go sleep now. Or try to. Love you guys. Good night.